These are the Vokalen Hyper Pro 2 Active Noise Cancellation Bluetooth over-ear headphones. Vokalen is a Canadian company, so these headphones are designed in Canada, they are made in China, and I am very excited to review them. So in this video, I'm gonna unbox them to show you what comes in their box, and I'm gonna give you my first impressions on them. And later on, I'm gonna make a full review about them. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, and you can check the full review in the link in the description and in the comments. So let's unbox them. These headphones have high-res capability. To get the high-res audio, you need to connect them with the USB-C cable. So this is some documentation, and they have an application also to manage them. And they come in this very nice hard shell case. So what they tell you on the back very quickly is that their battery can last up to 60 hours with active noise cancellation turned off. They have clear calls and they have active noise cancellation. So let's open this hard shell case. Take a look at the headphones for the first time. See how they are protected with these sponges. So I'm gonna remove the sponges here. And the headphones look really very nice. And one thing I like is that the ear cushions here, it is made of cloth and it's not synthetic like leather, so it shouldn't get very hot. The headphones feel really good in the hand as a first impression. What you get also in the case are some cables. So you have a 3.5 millimeter TRRS cable. So apparently you can use them offline with the microphone also. We're gonna check this in the review. And this is USB-C to USB-C cable. So I'm gonna turn on the headphones for the first time and I'm gonna connect to them on my iPhone. So let's go to Bluetooth and I should find them here. So here they are, Hyper Pro 2 on the bottom. Let's connect to them. And for now, I'm not gonna be adjusting the equalizer. I just gonna test the sound as they come from the factory. So let me wear them first to give you the impression on their comfort. As a first impression, first, they have nice passive isolation of the sound and they are comfortable now. They clamp a little bit too hard on my head, but I think they're gonna loosen up in time. So let me play something on my phone and I'm playing an electronic song that has heavy bass. So as a first impression, I'm really impressed with the sound quality of these headphones. So as I said in the beginning of this video, if you want to look at their full review, make sure to check the link in the description and in the comments. Thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. If you liked my video, please share it, subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. See you in the full review video.